I really enjoy the format. I enjoy meeting 12 to 14 different companies, and I enjoy having the opportunity to sit with each of them and really hear a little bit more about their company and understand if there's an opportunity for us to work together.
In the meeting format, where you have different conferences going on and different talks being given, it takes you outside of your normal day-to-day and gives you an opportunity to put your finger on the pulse of the industry, of what these industry leaders are seeing, discussing, and thinking about, so that you as a solution provider can see that firsthand where you might not have if you had not have left your office.
Well, I think there's a lot of work that you guys put in to make these things happen so smoothly, so that the one-on-one meetings are just the product of that work, and we see that prep in the way that your guests volunteer information about their business and what they're going through, and it helps us to prepare for those interactions, to relate similar challenges that we faced in the past and solve for other friends of NPR, and it helps us to solve their problems too.
The time it would take me to reach out to those 12 to 14 different companies, actually arrange time to visit them all over the world, travel to each of those sites, the cost, I think, would be much greater than actually a Marcus Evans event cost.
Give it a fair shake, look at it, because it does provide a value that you're not getting at a traditional trade show event.
It's the secret to our success. I mean, that's what it is, really. It's a gem. You could do more of these events each year and I'd be much happier. So if you did 2 or 3 of these, I think we'd be in good shape.